Good evening, everybody. Summer holiday special video day 3. Today's character is key character word. Okay. First word is kitaki. 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 Window. Kirana. Kirana. Kirana means sun rays. Yes. Kitaki, Kirana. Kitaki, window, Kirana, sun rays. For other videos, you can check my playlist. Thank you for watching.